Good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2016 government pass question. Question number 42 says the executive checks the excesses of the legislature through dash. The executive checks the excesses of legislature through dash. Option A says assets to bills. B. The use of veto power. C. The ratification of treaties. D. Issuance of orders. So when we talk of access to bills, it is the duty of the executive, not the legislature. So it's the function of the executive. Veto power means ultimate power. The ratification of treaties means peace ratification. The issuance of orders means command. So the executive checks the excessive of through the assent of bills, that is signing in bills to become law. So option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.